Hey guys, in this video I'll go over how to get Xfinity app on your Vizio Smart TV. Okay, I will show you three methods. So method one is going ahead and using AirPlay for the iPhone slash iPad users. Okay, so first things first, you want to go ahead and ensure your Vizio Smart TV and iPhone or iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, go ahead and open up the Xfinity Stream app and do this on your iPhone or iPad. Then you just want to go ahead and tap the AirPlay icon and select your Vizio TV. Okay, then you can go ahead and start streaming directly to your TV. Method 2 is actually using Chromecast for the Android and iPhone users. So you want to first make sure that your Vizio TV has Chromecast built in. Go ahead and open up the Xfinity Stream app on your phone. Just tap the cast icon and select your Vizio TV, and then you can go ahead and play your favorite content on the big screen. And the third method is to use a streaming device. So if your Vizio TV, doesn't support AirPlay or Chromecast, you can go ahead and connect a Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV, right? Just go ahead and download the Xfinity Stream app from the respective app store, and then you can go ahead and log in and start watching Xfinity on your TV. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.